the technical problems. Thank you, Mr. Kager, for this warm welcome. As already said, I'm here today on behalf of Dr. Irina Erhardt, who sends her warmest greetings and also a very warm welcome to the delegation from South America, especially from All Invest to you. Today I will present the German-Brazilian Year of Science, Technology and Innovation. Maybe I first introduce myself. I'm from the International Office of the Ministry of Education and Science in Germany, situated at the German Space Agency, DLR. And my short brief will be followed by a speech of Mr. Antonioni, Director of Softex. And we are very happy that he is here today. Bom dia. So now I will start. Germany and Brazil have been cooperating for more than 40 years very successfully. So our Minister of Science and Technology, Professor Chavan, and the Brazilian Minister of Science and Technology, Mr. Vizenji, decided to announce the German-Brazilian Year of Science and Technology, which will start this April. So actually we are almost there. We're looking forward to it, and the year will run all until April of 2011. Under the slogan of Nachhaltig Innovativ or Sustentável Inovador, we want to bring the two countries together to tackle vital problems of today. For example, how to strengthen cutting-edge research, how to use our resources in a sustainable way, how to improve industrial production processes, and support the interest of young people for science and technology. In Germany, as I said, the Federal Ministry of Science and Education is responsible for the year, and in Brazil we are working together with the Foreign Ministry, MRE, and the Ministry of Research and Technology, MCT. The International Years of Science, as Mr. Kager said, we also have National Years of Science, which are on energy this year in Germany. However, we in the International Office have International Years of Science that are a successful initiative in order to work together with strategically important partner countries. Before we, for example, had Israel and China as partner, and we are very happy to work together with Brazil in the next month. The International Science Years are part of the German initiative to internationalize science of the federal government and part of Germany's responsibility as a leading industrialized country. Main priorities during the year is the cooperation in cutting-edge science, the support and mobility of young scientists, and of course the communication and popularization of science. Therefore, we run a general communication campaign to support the effect of the different activities during the year. The logo you can already see here on this presentation, and we will launch a common web page in April with the start of the year. So please check our website for events and more information. The German-Brazilian Year will be launched on the 12th of April, and we are looking forward. It has been announced, it's not totally sure, but we hope that President Lula will join the event and Ms. Chavan will also come to Brazil. More events will follow. For example, the Science Tunnel of MPG has been requested. We will participate at fairs, organized delegations as the All Invest here today. And there will be additional funding provided both by the German Ministry of Science as well as the Brazilian side, and ongoing projects will of course also receive more attention during the Year of Science. I just named two. ATO, the Tall Tower Observatory in the Amazonas, and the Mata Atlantica project on research on sustainable land use research. So as we are all here today, I'm happy to inform you about this initiative. We already have many events, projects that have been conferred to us by science and intermediary organizations that will participate in the Year of Science, and maybe you are also interested to become a partner of the year, to inform us about your bilateral activities, to organize a bilateral event between Germany and Brazil, to report about it on our webpage. And you can see here my email address. Can't see, sorry. This was the slide what I was talking about. So please see my email address if you have any information that you would like to spread. And it would also be a great help if you talk to your partners in Brazil. And now I'm especially talking to the Brazilian guests today to inform about this initiative so that they can also join. Well, I thank you very much for your attention today. And now I give the word to Mr. Antonioni.